Hello everyone. So today I will show how to find the determinant of any matrix using Excel or Python code. So as you know, to find the value of any determinant using pen and paper, so that is a lengthy method. However, there are tools available so that you can find the value of matrix using your Excel file, or else you can use Python code. However, you can also use scientific calculator to find the value of any matrix. So let me go ahead with finding the value of matrix using the Excel file. So I will go ahead with choosing the 4 into 4 matrix, and let's see how it works. So I will define the values of my matrix. So uh, I will choose a random value over here. So in my first column I will choose 1 3 2 1. Then in my second column I'm going to choose any random values. Let's suppose it's 0, then 0, then 1, then 0. Let me go ahead with the third column, which is, let me select it as 0. Sorry, 2. I will select first I will select 2, then I will select 0, then 4, then let's suppose 5. Let me go ahead with the fourth column, which is I will select negative value here. So I will go ahead with -1, then I will go ahead with 5, then I will choose -3, and then we'll go ahead with 0. So to find the value of matrix using the Excel formula, so we do have one formula for finding the value of the matrix using that. So I will go ahead with the formula. So I will go ahead with is equal to then MD E. So you can see there is a formula, it's showing there MDETERM. So it returns the metric determinant of any array. So I will choose this formula here, and then I need to select the array value here. So my array is from here to here. So I will select all the values that I had defined previously. So from 1A to D4. Then I will close the bracket. Then let's see what is the value of our determinant. So it gives the value 30. So if you will calculate using your pen and paper, you will get the same value. So let me go ahead with the Python code. So to do that, I need to open one Python library here. Python, I mean tool. So I don't have any tool available in my laptop, so I will use one online platform here. So it's a Jupyter platform available. So we'll go ahead with jupyter.org. You can just simply log into jupyter.org. Just need to type here and it will come up with page like this. You just need to create your own code, write your own code. So I will go ahead with going to file, then we'll select new, then I will go ahead with notebook. So we'll select this notebook, then I will choose select. Then I will define my import my Python, import my numpy. So let me do this. So I will import numpy as np. So I have defined my numpy as np. So every time if I want to call this numpy, so I can use numpy as np. So that is the reason we defined numpy as np. So let me run this. As you can see, it's run successfully. Then after, I will define my values of my matrix that I will use here. So let me go ahead with the values. So we'll select, I will define the name of my matrix as A. So we'll choose A is equal to, we'll go ahead with the np, the numpy that we defined in the first line, np dot array, will close, open the parenthesis, then choose our first value of the matrix. So the first bracket is for the matrix, that the entire matrix. Then we'll go ahead with one more bracket, then we'll choose, we will use the same value. So the first value that we used in our excel file was 102 minus 1. So we will go ahead with the same, which is 102, then we'll go ahead with minus 1, then we'll choose this, close this. Then after, I will select the next value, which is 3, what was that, 3005. So we'll write it as 3, second it was 005. The third value that we selected previously was 214 minus 3. So we'll go ahead with the same, 214, and the fourth one was minus 3. Then we'll close the bracket. We'll finally add the last value, which is 1050. It's 1050. We'll close the bracket, and finally we will close the bracket of our array that we had defined previously. So one bracket for that, we'll close the parenthesis. Then after, we will find the determinant. So let me do one thing, let me run this code. After then we'll move to the next line. Now going forward, we'll find the determinant of that matrix. So we will write it as det, as a determinant, is equal to np that we defined in the first line, np dot, so in Python there is a library for finding the determinant. It's a linear algebra, so it's written as LINALG, linear algebra dot determinant. So determinant is det. So we define our determinant name as A. So we'll do A, we'll close our bracket. Let me run this. Okay, it's run successfully. So we'll finally conclude the value of the matrix. So we need the output from this code. So we'll write it as print. We'll close this, and I need the round off value of this entire matrix. So we'll write it as round, and then determinant, so it's written as det. We'll close our bracket. Now let me run this. Let's see what is the value output we will receive here. So as you can see, the same value, which is 30, that we receive in Excel file, we are getting the same value in Python. So this is how you will able to find the values of any matrix. So if you use a pen and paper method, that will be lengthier. However, using these such tools is a bit easy method. You can also use scientific calculator to do so. So this is it. Thank you.